Only in LA.
At 9 at night.
That would be sick. We'll do it for the man. Oh, yeah. That was a good flip though. Oh. You got too many. It's so good, man. Did you set the alarm for her? Huh? Did you set the alarm for her? Yeah, set it for 6. Just in case. I'm about to try and film a line, hold the coffee. Little rebel run. Oh God! Spilled a little bit already. This is just a daily thing. Usually I don't have a fucking coffee though. Jesus Christ. Oh, dude. Oh, it's so hard. I know. I've got no balance. Yeah. Yo. Oh, what? Yeah. We out. That was sick. Yo.
I didn't even stretch yet.
Breakfast clips.
Dude, that was fucking legit. I didn't even stretch. I was like, I don't know.
Oh. I only spilled everywhere. No big deal. Video didn't upload. Shit took way too long. Wi-Fi sucks. Now it's raining. So probably not gonna be riding today. But it never rains in LA, dude. What the fuck? What is going on?
It's too far, man. You're telling me. I like it.
Oh! Yeah!
What? What's up, young brother?
What's happening? Oh boy. It never rains here. I'm not used to this. What's happening?
I want to tell them if
Ferrari boy.
there's no parking anymore.
There's no what?
No parking? You guys don't have like valet anymore, huh?
I did this. Parks at a red curb. With cops right here.
Savage.
Super savage.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I heard it.
Huh?
Yeah, well, we like, I don't know if it was
It
actually. hit the ground.
Called the cops.
It hit the
It
ground.
might have gotten thrown at somebody, and then like we didn't do it.
It hit the
Yeah.
ground.
No, I think that that's why the cops are there because
That's what
they
happened.
fucking
I swear to God,
they
so I
just
never
went
buy a
looking
nice
for a
car.
guy. So they
Niggas
stood
throwing a
on
bottle
the
at a
fucking
fucking Ferrari. Like, we didn't do shit.
What's good?
Oh yeah, you got a cap.
You have a hoodie, I have nothing.
Oh, dude. Fucking the bitch in the Ferrari. Yo, what the fuck is this spaceship?
It's a spaceship, man. I'm telling you.
I fucked your bitch in the Ferrari. I fucked your bitch in the Ferrari.
Fuck you guys.
Fuck you guys!
What do you mean?
You are in such a beautiful car, okay? This is my birthday, by the way.
Nah, it's not
It's
your
your birthday.
Yes,
Where you from?
my birthday, France.
France, France, where?
Paris.
Paris. Oh, Lyon, Montpellier. C'est bon, c'est cool. Can you describe me what happened on the best day of your life?
No, nothing.
What makes you really happy? Where you from?
I'm from hell, from the hell,
Where's hell?
Palestine.
Yo, and you made it here?
Huh?
You made it here?
What's matter?
You made it here.
What's mean that? I didn't speak English a bit.
Oh.
I love this country.
You love this country?
I love you nice.
Everything okay?
It's amazing, isn't it?
Officer!
The key to the restaurant? Yes, sir.
Officer!
Hey, how's it going? I'm just filming a vlog, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's cool.
The police! Look, this police, you see?
And I was like, fuck yeah.
Fuck? No, man, no fuck.
No, fuck yeah, it's good.
Ah.
Yeah. What happened on the best day of your life?
I figured like the correct answer is when I met my wife, but
Yo, it doesn't have to be the correct answer. Just give me
nah,
like,
honestly, like
what happened on the day that you can remember that you were like, this was amazing. And you woke up the next day like, wow, yesterday was great.
I don't know, man. Probably I would have to say waking up on the beach in Thailand. That was cool. I like woke up in like a bungalow, like that was on the beach, like literally like right on the beach. And I was like, I woke up, I was like, damn, this is cool. You know?
That's amazing. That was a great answer. Yo, you mind holding my phone real quick?
No, I don't mind holding
my
shit.
phone. Yo, hold that shit real quick.
There you go, bro. God bless you, bro.
You have a great night, man.
I will, bro.
Keep it
Thank
real.
you. Keep it real, man. Peace.
Ciao, ciao.
Yeah.
Like it's probably like custom made.
Yeah. What do you think it is?
It's what is it? Cheetah? No, cheetah.
Close.
Oh shoot. Hen.
What kind of animal does he remind you of? He's real tall, you know?
Oh, a giraffe. A giraffe. Yes.
Yeah, he's got the giraffe on the back of his handlebars.
Oh my goodness, beautiful.
And then there's a giraffe on the pedals too.
Oh my.
And then that's a giraffe right there too.
Oh, you're a giraffe lover.
I love giraffes.
Oh my goodness, very beautiful. Okay, so are you a professional biker? That's where I'm going with it.
Yeah.
Professional biker.
Professional giraffe.
Professional giraffe. That's right.
Yeah.
Well, you go ahead, babe.
Yo, thank you. You have a good
You
day.
guys have a blessed day.
Ciao, ciao.
Be careful.
Bye.
Oh, you know what I noticed? You're probably like, what is those stunt devils or whatever? Those daredevils where they like you know how they do like they ride the bikes and they do the hops and all that? Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. You know.
You're part of that.
It's a white. Of course you are.
Come on. Have a blessed day.
Crazy. Is that a white bitch?
Thank you. Hashtag white people.
Yo, white people crazy.
I wonder who does it. They can't see the vision, boy. They mix me out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie. I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit. It's good and he knows it. He don't say it, he shows it. I'm just like the Rosen.
Squad. Oh, God. Yo! That shit was sick as fuck, man. Yeah, Momo! Oh, look who it is!
Yeah, Gimbal. What up, boys?
It's not. It's the next one, you know.
It's one of them.
Somewhere in Los Angeles.
We'll find it.
Hey, Muff! Turn your Muff lights on, Muff!
Russian kick, fuck
What's going on? He asked Brandon for a quarter. Brandon didn't want to give him a quarter. Now he's flipping out.
Really?
That was for a quarter. You should have given him a fucking quarter, dude. What is that? Canadian? What'd you do?
Did not feel good.
What'd you do?
I just walked into his pedal.
Dude.
Is whiskey?
No.
I got Jim Beam.
That hurts. I love the security guard too.
See, look, everybody's stoked on you. You're the dopest security guard.
No, but Bo, you whipping 15s?
Always, man.
Damn, dude, look at this thing. You're nice.
Everyone's fucking.
Everyone? Ooh, yeah.
Batman.
Midnight.
Bro, that's another Charles.
Bro, go get the camera, bro. Go in there, bro. That shit bleeding too much.
Is it gross?
You're the softest motherfucker that I know.
Don't look at that shit.
I just keep leaking. I've been putting alcohol on it. It just burns so much. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Dude, one little crankle just got me perfect. Shit! It stings so much.
I have some acid tracing and band-aids if you want.
Oh, please let me get one.
Alright. Nah, I got you.
Yeah, what's he need, Charles?
Yo, I'm a fucking...
Give me, boy.
I'm a safari man myself, you know what I'm saying? I fucking... You gotta be prepared for this shit.
My nigga Reed got a pick though. Look at my boy right here.
Hey, bro.
You see me out here?
Hey. He has the one with the fist.
Hey, look like this black man hair on this fucking mug right here. He got the fucking.
Oh, that sucks toast.
Oh my god.
Butterflies.
This is bomb.
This one's really good.
Ready? Here, no, hold up. I gotta get acid tracing.
Let me see the hole.
Hey, B.
Oh, it's not that bad.
How are you?
Yeah, but it's super deep. What I just got like a weird spot too.
Yeah. It's just, I think a spot that's been so beat up, and the flesh is just mad. Dude, I felt it just in my sock. Like my sock felt mad, like wet.
Filled up.
Yeah, and I was like, I'm leaking.
Sometimes I carry blood clot in it.
I've never had it leak that much, and I've had it cut to the bone before.
I feel like it usually tends to bleed less the deeper it is.
Yeah, it's crazy. Ready?
Wait,
Tell me when you were good. Here we go.
hold on. Let me spin this around a little bit. Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, we're good.
Let's read. Gentleman and a scholar.
Alright, got you. I've done this before.
You're Billy Dexter in Run Full 10.
Oh yeah. I'm Don Mocker, one of them.
Rose breaks it like off his face. No one makes anything. Alright. Sort it out.
Thanks. You're a good man, Reed.
No worries, man. I got you.